The Lord be with you. Good day, everyone. We are now on the 14th Sunday in Ordinary Time, and we reflect on the Gospel according to St. Mark, chapter 6, verses 1 to 6. Jesus Christ was rejected by His own people simply because they thought they knew His background. They knew His family. They knew His parents. He was the son of the carpenter. They said, how come that He was speaking with so much authority? They were amazed, but at the same time, they were envious of Jesus, of how Jesus became as a person. If you are experiencing rejection, know that Jesus Christ was also rejected. The sad truth is, more often, those people whom we are expecting to accept us and be proud of us are those people who will be the first one to reject us and will pull us down. They will be the one to put limit on how we should be as a person. Truly, we say, over familiarity breeds contempt. Hopefully, we come to know one another and we go deeper in knowing the person more than the background. We see not just the past of the person, but we look on the future that lies ahead. No one is beyond redemption. And no one can truly claim that he or she is above everyone else. For after all, as I would say, we all receive one life. We all live 24 hours a day. Isn't it? No one has more than anyone else. And so who are we to judge other people? By judging them according to their background, according to their color, according to their language, according to how they were in the past. We may have a not so good past, but certainly we all have the same wonderful future awaiting all of us with our Lord Jesus Christ. When the Son of God became flesh, He became the leveling for all of us. No one would ever consider himself or herself greater than anyone else, because Jesus Christ is giving us equal opportunity to prove ourselves. It doesn't matter what others would say against us, but it matters how we are to accept them. We need not to prove ourselves to them. We only need to prove ourselves to Jesus, who is the source of everything, who gave us opportunities, and who was the first one to believe in us. Let us learn the basic principle of all, which is respect and equality for all of us. For after all, it will be only Jesus who can judge us whether we lived our life worthily or not, whether we deserve to be considered great or not, whether we deserve heaven or not. God bless you.